All right, if you don't already know this copy paste trick, I'm going to show it to you now. So I'm transferring information between two slideshows. So I'm going to copy this. So just so you can see what I'm doing, I'm copying. I could just use Control C on my keyboard. You just couldn't see me doing it. Here's the slideshow I want to move it to, okay? And this is what I want to get rid of, and I want to paste it. If I just paste it in, it takes on the format of what it was in the previous slideshow. So I am going to undo. And instead of just hitting paste, I am going to do paste without formatting. And it matches exactly what it is. Okay, again, I'm going to undo. I want to show you the paste without formatting shortcut, Control Shift V. It's very easy for me to do that on my keyboard very quickly. So I tend to use that. So it eliminates any formatting or style differences when you are copying and pasting between presentations or from a Word document. It solves a lot of issues.